Haryana will tighten its borders with Delhi, clamping down on travel to its satellite cities of Gurgaon and Faridabad after a number of recent coronavirus cases were traced to the national capital. At least two other borders, Sonipat and Jhajjar, were sealed earlier amidst the COVID-19 outbreak.
Right now we are at Delhi-Faridabad border, and all the vehicles which entered the national capital are not being allowed to enter the state of Haryana by the officials who are present here. Now there are some trucks which came from the national capital into the state of Haryana. Now this is Faridabad, which comes under the territory of Haryana, but all of these trucks are also being turned away. They are being sent back to the national capital. Now Haryana police officials are citing that all those people who do not have a valid pass which has been issued by the authorities, they will not be allowed to enter into the state of Haryana. Why exactly is this happening, and what exactly has changed in as far as today the situation is concerned is still not clear. Be it the healthcare providers, the media officials, or anybody who was providing essential services or who was working inside the national capital is not being allowed to enter the state of Haryana at this point in time. Now these are the officials who are scanning, the people who are scanning and checking that why exactly do people need access into the state of Haryana, and they are being turned away. Even some residents of Haryana, of Faridabad, have been turned away from this particular border. And as I can show you, there are barricades that have been set up by Haryana. There are officials of Haryana police who are present here. All of these vehicles are being turned away. They are being sent back into the national capital. With video journalist Azam Siddiqui, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.